How to remove body toxins using pandan leaves? Native to Asia, the pandan plant, known as screw pine, is a plant used by many people around the world. It is quite fragrant and can increase the appetite. Its leaves are used in cooking and are added to different meals. Besides its use in the kitchen, pandan plant, especially pandan leaves, can provide a number of health benefits. We all know that the consumption of unhealthy food and the exposure to harmful toxins can contribute to an accumulation of free radicals in the body and promote cellular aging. So, it is very important to detoxify our bodies so we can flush out these harmful toxins and protect our health. How pandan leaves help in detoxing the body? Pandan leaves are extremely effective for detoxifying the body, especially the liver. The leaves are considered as a mild laxative and are completely safe, and they are also recommended for children. Pandan leaves are a natural diuretic, having the ability to improve the health of the kidneys. Moreover, they can neutralize toxins and at the same time, they can release impurities from the body. Pandan leaf tea is the best way to use pandan leaves. This incredible tea will detoxify your body, and will remove all the harmful toxins. Just follow the instructions below. Pandan leaf tea recipe. Needed ingredients: 4 pandan leaves, 1 piece of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, 3 cups of water. Directions. First, you should boil the water. Add all the ingredients, except for the palm sugar. Adjust the heat to medium and boil for another 10 minutes. Pour the liquid into a glass or a cup. Finally, you can add the sugar. Let it cool for some time, then you can drink it. Other health benefits of pandan leaves: reduce oral discomfort, reduce anxiety and stress, relieves pain, chest pain, headaches, arthritis, and earache. Mosquito repellent. You can start the detoxification process just by making the pandan leaf tea. However, you can also obtain the other health benefits of this plant by adding it to your meals. You can also use it in desserts and baking, such as in gelatins and pastries.